this is Lee from Dent King in Sherman Oaks, California.
I'm here today to work on the leading edge of this wing on this Piper Comanche, I believe it is. You can see, I'm not sure what caused this damage, but it's a significant amount of damage on the leading edge here of the wing. We'll show you the results after I'm done. Okay, here's another look at this damage on the wing of this Piper Comanche with a PDR light on it to highlight the extent of the damage. This is an aluminum wing. Okay, we removed that marker light and I've protected it with a rag so that I can leverage off of this. I don't know if you can see it, probably not. There's a hole through the spar where I'm going to access this. Here's the tool I'm using to get into the end of this wing and reach up and push that vent out. Doing a little glue pulling as well as pushing on this wing. Okay, this job is done. I'd like to do it a little better, but the owner is very happy with it. And he says, good enough. That's more than I expected. So, if he's happy, I'm happy.